Here's a super quick tip that I'm surprised many people don't know about, which can be immensely helpful when signing up test users to your SaaS app. Whether you're building a no-code MVP with Bubble or any other platform, this can be really helpful. And it's something that's been documented since 2008, including this blog post by Google themselves, pointing out that you can add a plus symbol into a Gmail address or a Google Workspace address and make it arrive in the same inbox. So, for example, if you're signing up test users to your Bubble app and you thought, oh, but I've already used my Gmail address and Bubble won't let me sign up for more than one account with the same email address. Oh, I'll just use a friend's email address or I'll use my partner's email address. You don't need to bother doing any of that because you can't even access those inboxes. Here's what you need to do. You can just put +1. Okay, sign the user up, test the user. +2. You could have test1 or test2. It really is so simple. In fact, it can basically give you an infinite number of test user email addresses using this well-known, is it a hack? I don't know if you could call it a hack. Hidden feature of Gmail, which is including a plus after the main part of the email address, but before the @sign, you can put any regular characters in there and create a whole new email address from the perspective of the app you're building. But from Gmail's perspective, it's exactly the same email address, or at least it arrives in exactly the same inbox. So if you found that useful, we'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It helps us with what we're trying to do on YouTube. And if you're learning Bubble, which many of our audience are doing, maybe you're building your first MVP with Bubble, you should check out our website. It's planetnocode.com, and you can find loads of Bubble tutorials on there that you cannot find on our YouTube channel. They are exclusive to our no-code community. So head to planetnocode.com to get started in accelerating your Bubble development journey.